Best Whole House Water Filter 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. Look, nobody wants to drink, cook, or shower in funky smelling metallic city water or well water. That's why I bought and spent weeks testing 5 of the most popular whole house filtration setups and replacements on the market. I wanted to see which ones actually deliver clean, crisp water throughout the entire house without destroying your water pressure. Product number 1. Pure Plus 5 micron 10 by 4.5 inch carbon replacement cartridge, 2-pack. When I first pulled these Pure Plus cartridges out of the box, I noticed right away how solid and heavy they feel for standard 10-inch filters. They don't feel cheap or flimsy at all. I dropped this 2-pack into my standard big blue housing and the fit was absolutely perfect. During my testing, what really stood out was how well it balances sediment trapping with carbon filtration. It cleaned up the chlorine taste in my kitchen tap instantly, and my shower didn't smell like a public pool anymore. Plus, even at 5 microns, I didn't notice any annoying drop in my shower's water pressure. If you already have a compatible GE, Culligan, or Pentec 10-inch housing and want a budget-friendly way to kill chlorine odors and fine dirt, this 2-pack is a no-brainer. Product number 2. iSpring RCC77AK 6-stage under-sink reverse osmosis system. Unboxing this iSpring system, I could tell it's a serious piece of gear. The tubings feel sturdy, and that patented top-mounted faucet looks sleek and feels premium when you turn it. Putting it together under the sink took me a little while, but the layout is incredibly intuitive. Now, standard reverse osmosis can make water taste flat, but this 6-stage system has an alkaline remineralization filter. When I took my first sip, the water tasted incredibly clean, crisp, and slightly sweet, just like expensive bottled spring water. It pumps out 75 gallons a day, which easily kept up with my family's heavy drinking and cooking needs. If you already have a compatible GE, Culligan, or Pentec 10-inch housing and want a budget-friendly way to kill chlorine odors and fine dirt, this 2-pack is a no-brainer. Product number 3. iSpring F3WG32BM 3-stage whole house replacement filter set. Lifting this 3-stage replacement pack out of the box, these 20-inch filters are massive and have a serious weight to them. You can tell they're packed tight with filtration material, especially the heavy iron and manganese reducing cartridge. I swapped these into a triple housing system to see how they handle tough well water. The results were immediate. Those ugly orange rust stains in my toilet bowls stopped forming, and that awful metallic taste in the water completely vanished. The sediment and carbon block stages work perfectly alongside the iron filter to keep the water crystal clear and smelling fresh from every single faucet. If you already have a compatible GE, Culligan, or Pentec 10-inch housing and want a budget-friendly way to kill chlorine odors and fine dirt, this 2-pack is a no-brainer. Product number 4. Pure Plus 5 micron 10 by 4.5 inch FX HTC replacement cartridge 3-pack. This is the Pure Plus FX HTC 3-pack, and holding them side by side with the 2-pack, they feature that same dense, high-quality build that gives you confidence they won't collapse under pressure. I ran these through a different high-flow housing to see how they handle a busy household with multiple showers running at once. They didn't disappoint. The 5-micron rating is the sweet spot. It caught all the fine grit and sediment coming from the city lines, while the carbon core stripped out the chemical tastes. Having 3 filters in the pack means I'm set for almost a full year without worrying about reordering. Product number 5. Express Water Whole House Replacement Filter Set 3-pack. When I handled this Express Water trio, the build quality on the polyphosphate and KDF cartridges really impressed me. These 20-inch filters feel incredibly rugged and are designed for high-volume setups. I tested this set specifically to see how it handles scale buildup and heavy metals. The KDF layer is fantastic for targeting nasty scale and metals, while the polyphosphate helps prevent those white, crusty, hard water deposits from ruining your water heater and fixtures. After a few weeks, my glassware came out of the dishwasher looking way clearer, and the water felt noticeably softer on my skin during showers. That wraps up my hands-on testing for these filters. Investing in the right filtration makes a massive difference for your home and your health. Make sure to check out the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing on all 5 of these options. See ya!